Hey everyone, welcome back to another on-site update. Today we're seeing major progress across the stadium, with key structural and facade works moving forward in multiple areas at the same time. From the compression ring rising at the top to ongoing installation activities in different zones, everything is clearly entering a more advanced construction phase. Let's go step by step and see what's happening on the ground today. The compression ring is now one of the most critical structural elements taking shape at the top of the stadium, with steady and visible progress. This massive structure, made up of 124 segments, is being assembled step by step, with 16 segments already installed and the 17th currently being lifted into position. With each addition, the ring continues to form its circular shape, requiring precise crane operations to ensure perfect alignment. Once placed, crews immediately secure each segment, carefully checking alignment and locking all connections into place. In the south goal area, work is focused on finalizing the steel structure around the elevator and stair cores. Workers are actively welding, and the main framework, including beams and vertical supports, appears fully installed. Both visible sections look structurally complete, signaling that the next step will be the installation of sandwich panels to enclose these cores. In the mid-zone, crews are actively handling and repositioning smaller structural components using lifting equipment. At the same time, work is progressing on base elements where facade supports will be mounted. This preparation phase suggests that installation of additional facade systems will begin here very soon. At the north corner, facade installation has advanced rapidly. The upper row of slats has been largely completed across one section, with only small gaps left near structural pillars. This marks a significant step forward, and the next phase will extend the installation into the adjacent sections. Additional alignment and fixing work is ongoing to ensure proper spacing and structural stability of the slats. In the north goal midsection, sandwich panel installation is nearly complete. Only a small portion remains unfinished, with workers currently finalizing placement. This area is close to completion and will soon transition into the next stage of exterior finishing. Material for the next section is already staged nearby, indicating continuous workflow. Inside the structure, a high level of activity is ongoing. Although not fully visible from the outside, the continuous noise and movement indicate a large workforce operating within internal corridors and structural zones, contributing significantly to overall project progress. Multiple teams appear to be working simultaneously on different internal systems and structural tasks. In the corner structure, multiple vertical components have been installed across the beams. These elements will support future facade systems, and their rapid installation across the section highlights strong progress in preparing the stadium's outer framework. Work is continuing in parallel on adjacent sections to maintain installation consistency. In the tribune area, connection joints between vertical supports have now been installed. Several rear-side connections are complete, while front-side joints are still pending. This development indicates that the area is being prepared for upcoming facade slat installation. The positioning suggests that the slats will be installed closer to the walkway here, creating a more enclosed and visually compact finish compared to other sections. In the exterior commercial zone, work continues around the future store area. Elevated platforms are active and materials are staged nearby, indicating preparation for glass installation. While some sections already have glass panels installed, additional areas are expected to follow soon. Ongoing upper-level work suggests that structural supports for glazing are being finalized. In the corner section, crews are actively preparing the facade base system by installing anchor points where the lamas will be mounted. These anchors are being precisely fixed into the structure, while guide elements, used to align and support the lamination system, are also being positioned on top. Workers are adjusting and tightening these guides to ensure correct spacing and alignment. Overall, the project is moving steadily forward, with structural work nearing completion and facade installation gaining momentum. The coming days are expected to bring even more visible changes as the stadium continues transitioning into its next construction phase.